Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. So in week 6, we are going to be learning about predictive writing. And basically predictive writing is exactly how it sounds. The legal professionals predict the outcome of a client's case. And this happens in the civil side of things and in the criminal side of things. Basically, for example, on the civil side, the client comes in, says she wants to sue XYZ company. Do we think she has a good chance? And then the legal team would do the research and then apply the research to the facts of the case and then make an objective prediction on whether or not our client has a good case. Same thing on the criminal side. If a client's in trouble and they've been arrested for something and they say, you need to represent me in court, what are the chances that I'm going to get off of this offense? And you would say, well, let me look at my research, let me apply it to the facts, and then you would predict whether or not the person would be found guilty or not. The key to remember with predictive writing is that you need to be objective. You would be doing your client a disservice if you erred one way or another just because they're your client. You need to objectively analyze what the outcome will be. This is not persuasive writing. That's the biggest thing to know here. Predictive writing is very different from persuasive writing. We're not writing to a judge. We're not trying to persuade anybody of anything. We are legitimately just trying to look at the research and analyze it with respect to our facts to predict what a court would decide, not persuading. Okay, so the good thing about this week is the lecture materials directly relate to the assignment because the assignment is part 2 of the portfolio project, and that is to write a predictive memo. So to relate it to the portfolio project, what you're going to do is we're still dealing with Sweet Lorraine, and now you're going to take all that research that you found back in the midterm, and you're still working with that set of research, and you're going to use the facts of Sweet Lorraine, and you're going to apply the research from the midterm to the facts of Sweet Lorraine, and you are going to write a memo describing how do you think a court would decide the issues in that case. Okay, and if you look at the instructions in the portfolio project, it explains exactly how you should lay it out. Basically, you want to have your facts, and then your issues, and then a short answer, and then your analysis and your conclusion. So just lay it out like that in the memo format. I love headings. And again, you're going to take all your research, compare and contrast it to the facts in Sweet Lorraine, and then come up with an objective answer to how you think the court will rule. And you don't have to have a definitive answer. You can just say, I think it's this because of these reasons. However, it could be this because of these reasons. But you just want to have all the objective information out there so your client can make an informed decision about what to do. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. We also have a discussion board this week, so I look forward to your thoughts on the board, and we have a reflection, which I always enjoy reading your reflections. So if you have any questions about anything as you draft, please reach out to me. If you haven't had a chance to do the midterm yet or any part of the portfolio project, it would be good to do that because this week 6 memo feeds off the earlier parts. So if you run into any issues with any of it, reach out, please. Thanks so much.